going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving a quick update on 24/7 Level Up and what's taking place. We're still in pre-launch, but they did now add the purchase feature. So you could go ahead and make your purchase with Bitcoin for now, but tomorrow or later on this week, they will be adding other pay options as well too. But that was just a quick update, and I'm going to show you my back office real quick. Here, this is the lander builder. You could create landing pages. It's not put in yet. They will they will be adding it sometime this week. And here's the websites. I do recommend you create your own landing page. And this company, what sets it aside from other companies is you could create your own landing page from the website builder or landing page builder that they're gonna put in as one of the tools that you could use. Now that is very good news, a very powerful marketing tool that people do need for their home business, and you could market any business as well too. And let's go. I'm gonna go here to my genealogy tree here. And this is what it's looking like so far. I have 21 members on my team. All right, and this P is for my personal members I enrolled on my own, not what was placed under me. Right, so if we go all the way to the bottom, so it stops right there. So I enrolled 8 people already just by sending some ads and getting free traffic in there. All right, and then let's take a look here. Here's a presentation video. And like I said, the marketing tools, you're going to get a landing page builder, and that's not there yet. Let's go. And you're going to get a flyer designer, and you get the my website addresses. This is just generic landing pages and the generic company website. All right, and pretty soon they're gonna implement another tool where you could order traffic straight from the company itself. And these are buyer leads that people are not seeking to join a business but already known for buying and ready to join other businesses as well too. So that's a good one. And then, like I said, I've been promoting this using what we call Leads Leap. It's a free marketing system, but I do recommend upgrading to Pro. That way you don't have to surf any ads. You could just market the system, and I'll show you my results real quick here. And I just put these up, and I created these ads from scratch. These pictures, and yeah. So let's go down to my marketing. Where is it at here? Landing page builder. And then this is how I'm promoting Level Up here. And then it does have a tracker as well too. Here's my results so far. So I am promoting with Hercules, like I said, which is a free marketing tool, and I got 18 opt-ins already, and I got three signups off of that, and then I got 82 opt-ins here. This is from paid traffic, but it's actually cheap paid traffic and some other sources as well. And also, I got opt-ins from YouTube, which is I'm making videos on it right now, and I'm ranking #1 on Google for videos as well too, because of course Google owns YouTube. So, and I'll show you that right now. So we'll go to google.com and then 24/7 review. Oh wait, hold on, 24/7 Level Up. Level up 20. Oh, there you go, right there. And boom, right there. I'm on the first page of Google. All right, so let's go back to that. Now, if you are ready to join, you could join still for free while we're in pre-launch and start promoting it. Now, once you're ready to join, go ahead and click the link below. And thank you for viewing this channel.